Most beginners only realize a trend exists after the biggest move has already happened. By the time they decide to enter, professional traders are already taking profits. But what if you could spot a trend much earlier? In this lesson, I'll show you 3 simple clues that can help you identify a trend before most traders notice it. The first clue is the simplest. An uptrend creates higher highs and higher lows. This means price keeps pushing higher, then pulling back, but each pullback stays above the previous low. Think of it like climbing a staircase. The market moves up, pauses, then continues higher. As long as those higher lows remain intact, buyers are still in control. The second clue is support. In healthy trends, price often returns to important support areas before continuing higher. When buyers repeatedly defend the same zone, it tells us demand is still present. Many beginners panic during these pullbacks. Experienced traders often see them as opportunities. The third clue is momentum. Strong trends often produce larger candles moving in the direction of the trend. When buyers are confident, candles tend to close strongly and push price higher. This doesn't mean every candle will be bullish. But when most momentum appears in one direction, the trend is usually revealing itself. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing price after a huge move. Instead of asking how far price has already traveled, ask whether the trend structure is still healthy. A trend can continue much longer than many traders expect. So remember these 3 clues. Number 1, higher highs and higher lows. Number 2, price respecting support. And number 3, strong momentum candles. When all 3 appear together, there's a good chance a trend is already developing. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Trading with Adrian for simple trading lessons designed specifically for beginners. And next, watch my lesson on support and resistance because that's where many of the best trend opportunities begin.